Let's get ready together and do some makeup while filling up my new makeup bag. You guys always see me with my little oval makeup bag from ETOILE. I've already filmed doing my makeup while filling up this makeup bag, so if you're interested in the oval smaller version, then go ahead and watch that video. I will leave it in the link and also on the screen. And because I'm so obsessed with this bag, I got her bigger sister because I have a lot of favorites and I like to just switch things up. And also from a lot of foundations or skin tints, I have like 2 or 3 shades, so I like to keep them all in one place. And I don't know why, but I've been delaying filling up this makeup bag properly. So today I thought I'm really gonna do this, and I think it's so much easier to fill up a makeup bag while doing your usual makeup routine. And you guys know I always start with skin prep. This is the RHODE glazing milk. So this is the first product I'm gonna just put right over here. I'm of course not sure where everything is gonna end up, but we're gonna see. If I have to switch things up, then I'm gonna obviously show you. Next, I'm going in with the KIEHLS eye cream. And by the way, you guys, I'm not going anywhere. I'm literally just gonna shower after this and get ready for bed. I want to wake up tomorrow with my desk clear and my makeup organized, so I really wanted to do this today and also have a fun little video. Okay, so this is the second product. I think I can just stack them up like that. Next, I'm gonna go in with some lip stain. This is the contour lip stain from HUDA BEUATY. I just used the soft nude, also have the rosewood. They're very natural and give the My Lips But Better vibe, so I love that. I am gonna put that just over here. I think I didn't have that in the oval version, but here we have little side pockets over here, and also over here, a big one actually. And in front we have 2. Before I go in with any makeup, I always like to prep my lips with any lip balm, and for today I'm gonna use the Summer Fridays. I'm gonna go in with the Sweet Mint, and I am gonna also put all of those in the bag as well. And this just preps my lips for my lip combo later on. Next, I'm going in with brow gel. This is the Rare Beauty brow gel. Those really tiny things I'm gonna put in those pockets because I feel like if I put them anywhere else, I will kind of lose them. So those pockets are really handy for that. Next, from SAIE, the Glow Super Gel. I always use this before any foundation or skin tint. Just gives this beautiful glow from within. And for today, I'm just gonna use it under my eyes. Just makes my eyes look so bright in a good way. And sometimes I feel like I don't even need concealer after this. And with whatever is left, I'm just gonna put a little bit on my forehead, a little bit on my chin. I'm actually not sure if this is gonna fit standing up like that. I think it's too tall because I don't think it's gonna close. No, it doesn't. I think if I really push, it will close, but I don't want to push it. So I'm just gonna put it laid down, which is totally fine. I don't mind that. However, if you have a lot of tall items and you really want them to stand up, you might prefer the oval makeup bag that I have, but it's just so tiny and I really wanted something big to put all of my makeup and all of the varieties that I have. Next, I'm going in with the Daily Skin Tint. This one has SPF as well, from Beauty of JOSEON, and I have 2 other shades. As I told you guys, I always get 2-3 shades. I do this because I self-tan, of course, and I really want to make sure that I can customize anything that I have. Blend this out with a fluffy brush. Okay, so I'm gonna put all those 3, put them over here. And again, the same thing with those skin tints. I have 3 of them. Those ones, again, I'm gonna put them at the back. For my base products, I also am gonna add the Charlotte Tilbury Flawless Filter together with the SAIE Tinted Moisturizer. So again, at the back. I think the SAIE Tinted Moisturizer is a little bit too tall. Put it where I put my skin prep. Okay, so now I'm satisfied with everything that I have for my base. I'm gonna go for my bronzer and contours now. Of course, it's gonna be the WESTMAN Atelier contour stick. This is my favorite contour stick because I feel like this shade can go easily as contour or bronzer. As you can see, it's not too warm and not too cool. That perfect in-between shade that you can just use as one product. My self-tan is getting patchy on me. You can see it's a little bit patchy, but I promise it's my own self-tan, so. Okay, I feel like I want to put it over here in the middle. So I'm just gonna use everything that I really love. And then after that, if I can put in more, I will of course fill up more. And for blush, it will definitely be the RHODE Pocket Blushes. I have it in Tan Line and in Candy Apple. For today, I'm gonna go in with Candy Apple. And I know it looks so scary in the beginning, but I promise it looks so good when you blend it out. Just gonna blend it out with the same brush that I used for my contour. And I put the bronzer and blush on my eyes as well, just to make the whole look really cohesive. That's something that I always do in my makeup routines, no matter what look I'm doing. The blushes I am gonna put where I put the WESTMAN Atelier contour stick. Okay, so for concealer, I'm excited that I don't need to choose because I'm just gonna put them all in the bag. The NARS Soft Matte Pot Concealer and the NARS Creamy Concealer, the Huda Beauty Concealer and Corrector, and then also the SAIE Concealer. For now, I'm just gonna use the DIOR Skin Correct. It's just a tiny bit. I always like to spray some Charlotte Tilbury setting spray to blend out my concealer, because this just makes it so easy to blend it out. And those concealer placements really snatch your face. That's why I love to do my concealer at the end. Okay, I think I'm gonna put the concealers where I put my skin tints. So it's just gonna be over here. this is how it's looking so far. I almost forgot the Charlotte Tilbury setting spray. I'm gonna put this in the front where I put my skin prep and these SAIE products because they were too tall. So this one again, I'm just gonna lay over here like that. Moving on to powders now. I really want to fit the Hourglass palette. This is my holy grail. I love her so much. It has a bronzer, it has blushes, and also like a finishing powder and an highlighter, so I use it a lot. I was thinking to put it in the back pocket. I'm just gonna try and see if it fits. Next, of course, the Charlotte Tilbury pressed powder. I'm just gonna set my under eyes and my T-zone because I'm getting so oily, so I really need some powder. In the back there's one big pocket, and then in the front there is two little ones. Put the powder over there, just like that. Now for bronzer, I really want to put this in the back as well. This YSL bronzer is just so pretty. And I feel like this is one of the products that I don't want to stick somewhere. I just want to put it on top. As soon as I open the bag, I will see it there. And then also I love my SAIE powder blushes in the shade Chow and also Mia. It's this beautiful color and it goes perfectly with Tan Line from RHODE. Like just a little bit goes a long way. So you need to be careful. But it's just so pretty. It looks like skin. Okay, I think I can fit both of them behind the concealers over there. Push them down. I think I can just put my NARS Pot Concealer on top of that. Okay, now I'm gonna curl my lashes. And I'm not sure if I'm gonna put my lash curler in there as well, because usually my lash curler is where my brushes are. But I think for the sake of this video, and maybe I will just get used to putting it in my makeup bag. See how that goes. I'm gonna put it where I put the Westman Atelier contour stick with the RHODE blushes, because they kind of went deep, so I still have place to put something on top. Okay, now for mascara, I'm gonna go for the Too Faced mascara. For today, I'm using the brown one. And I like to do 2 coats. And again, they're too tall, so they will be laying like that on top of the Charlotte Tilbury setting spray. For my lip liners, I am gonna take a few. The first one is Makeup Forever Limitless Brown, because obviously. Next I have MAC in Plum. This is my all-time favorite lip liner. And then I have 2 of the Kylie Cosmetics lip liners. Those are in the shades Moody Nude and Comes Naturally. I love them both. And then I have the RHODE lip liner, and this one is in the shade Lean. For today, I am just gonna go in with the RHODE lip liner. Just gonna overline, and you can see how gorgeous this looks, especially for me because I don't have any lip fillers. I feel like it's so easy to put on and overline. It doesn't look crazy or anything, it looks perfectly fine. I'm gonna put them where I put my lip balms. Okay, so now finally for my lip glosses and lip tints and lipsticks, I'm gonna go for the Kiko lip glosses, 2 of them. Those are in the shade 17 and 05. I absolutely love them. Next I have the Benetint, of course, in the shade Rose. And then I have 2 of the YSL lip shines in the shade 44 and 204. And then I have the RHODE Peptide Lip Tints in the shades Jelly Bean and Pretzel. I think I can fit them all in this little corner over here. Before I put the last one in, I'm gonna put on some gloss. This is the RHODE lip tint in the shade Pretzel. I can see that there is still those little pockets on these sides, so I thought I'm gonna put the RHODE lip glosses there. So this is how everything is looking now, and I've already finished my makeup, so I feel like I can fill it up just a little bit more. I really want to add the Westman Atelier highlighter stick. This one is also something that I really love and always reach out for in my makeup routines. It looks so good. It literally gives you glass skin. Put it everywhere. Your cheekbones, the nose, on your eyes. And even if you don't have lip gloss on, you can put it on your lips and it will just be gorgeous. I can also fit in 2 of those mini little SAIE blushes. I'm gonna put them in the same pocket where I put the RHODE pocket blushes and the Westman Atelier contour stick with the highlighter stick. Okay, so this is how everything is looking like. And I was thinking one more thing on top, just like how I put the YSL bronzer over there. I'm also gonna put the DIOR Backstage Glow Palette on this side. This is everything that I want to fit in, and I'm gonna try to close it now and see if it closes. And it does, so I'm really happy. It is kind of heavy, but it's gonna be on my vanity desk, so that's fine. I just realized there is place for my brushes as well, but I'm not gonna use them for my brushes. Instead, I'm just gonna put my lip liners over there. And I think I can even put more eye pencils and other little stuff over there as well. But for now, I'm really satisfied for today and how much I fit in this bag. I'm really excited to do my makeup tomorrow morning. Finally, with my dream makeup bag. I'm just gonna fix my hair, and that's it for this makeup look. Thank you so much for getting ready together and filling up my makeup bag with me. And I will see you in my next one.